Hello everyone, I am M. Shahzad Faisal. I am a student of PharmD. All the video uploaded here on this YouTube channel are related to me and all the rights are reserved.
We know that there are 7 categories of drugs used for treatment of peptic ulcer. These categories are antimicrobial agents, H2 histamine receptor blockers, proton pump inhibitors, shortly called PPIs, prostaglandins, antimuscarinic agents, antacids, and mucosal protective agents. Now we are going to discuss how H2 receptor blockers play their role in treatment of peptic ulcer. For understanding their pharmacology, we should know how H2 receptor works normally. H2 receptor is actually G-coupled protein receptor which on binding with agonist stimulates adenyl cyclase which converts ATP into CAMP. Now this CAMP will activate the protein kinase which activates other factors and help in release of gastric acid. Mostly used H2 receptor blockers are cimetidine, famotidine, nizatidine, and ranitidine. As far as concern of their actions, these act mainly on H2 receptor present in stomach and blood vessels. Don't act on H1 receptors. These are competitive antagonists so are fully reversible. Therapeutic uses. These were used for peptic ulcer, acute stress ulcer prevention, and gastroesophageal reflux disease. But their use has been minimized with the advent of PPIs. Peptic ulcer. These 4 agents are used to heal duodenal and gastric ulcer. Peptic ulcer can reoccur by use of H2 receptor blocker. There are 60 to 100% chances of reoccurrence of peptic ulcer per year. Patients with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs induced ulcer are advised to use PPIs because it prevents reoccurrence. Acute stress ulcer. IV infusions of these agents prevent acute stress ulcer in ICU patients, as chances of tolerance development against these agents, so PPIs are preferred. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Low doses of H2 receptor blockers are available over the counter for gastroesophageal reflux disease like heartburn. The use of H2 antagonist can stop acid secretion, but it relieves symptoms after 45 minutes. Antacids are more effective to neutralize secreted acid but temporary relief. So PPIs are the best for treatment of gastroesophageal reflux disease.